Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day, as good as we can be having during these trying times. So today, by the title of this video, you already know what's going on. I'm going to be sharing my crystal collection with you guys. I have been wanting to shoot this video for a very long time, and I've always been attracted to crystals and thought they were beautiful. And my grandma used to have a bunch when I was a baby, and she just really loved the way they look, so I always had them around. And now finally I went and picked some up of my own about maybe a year ago, and I've used them and worked with them and really enjoyed them, so I was super excited to share it with you guys finally on the channel. So let's get into it. Before I jump into the entire collection, I actually wanted to give a quick shout out to my girl Cailynn. So I'm gonna link her Instagram in the description below. She actually makes crystal bracelets and they are so beautiful. They're such good quality and she fits them for your wrist, which is amazing. I have two here from her to show you guys. I have this gorge little baby right here. This one is so beautiful. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on the video, but this has some gorgeous shimmer in it. It's stunning. So this is gold stone. It is associated with the throat and root chakra, and it is used to help attain one's goals. It's a motivational stone. It's a business-based stone. So this is really good if you are trying to think of new business ideas and really stay focused and ambitious. This is a beautiful, beautiful stone to carry around with you. Also, I got this gorge baby right here. I was obsessed with the look of this one. It kind of looks like marble, which I love. It's black and white, so it goes with anything. This is howlite. Howlite is associated with the third eye chakra. This guy's gonna help with insomnia, especially if you're someone that has a very overactive mind, like if you have anxiety or if you're just like one of those people who are constantly rushing. This one's actually gonna help teach a little bit of patience, which is awesome. I know sometimes I definitely need that. Also helps with rage, pain, and stress. So I can't imagine that we are not all a little bit stressed with everything that's been going on in the world. So definitely look up her Instagram. It's gonna be linked below in the description. So definitely, her name is Cailynn. Shout out to you, girl. I am loving them. Now let's move on to my tumble crystals. So this guy right here is blue apatite, one of the first stones I ever got, and it's shaped like a little heart, which I love. I'm obsessed with heart-shaped crystals. This guy is for the third eye and the throat chakra, and it enhances your ability to communicate in groups and public speakings. So presentations or even parties and just social settings. This is one that's going to be amazing to help communication and facilitate your thoughts. It's also said to have some properties to help heal the heart. The next guy we're bringing to the stage is cornelian, another one of the early stones I was attracted to while crystal shopping. Cornelian is said to boost fertility and sexuality. So this one I thought was really awesome. I'm a Scorpio, so maybe I was just attracted to it. I mean, we all know about that. But cornelian also helps with lower back pain, with arthritis and depression. So I think this one is really, really awesome if you're trying to get in tune with your body, period. I think this is a great one to meditate with if you're really trying to become one with yourself and in tune with your sexuality and things like that. So definitely get you some cornelian. The last of the heart trio is rose quartz. Rose quartz is associated with the heart chakra, which is amazing. And it's shaped like a heart, you know, we love that. Rose quartz is a lot of people's beginner stone. It's known as the stone of universal love and harmony. So think self-love, friendships, regular relationships as well. This is kind of going to help facilitate having a pure, open heart. It also helps with inner healing and peace. So I know a lot of people that start off with this stone are like, I want to manifest a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Listen, I would say get you a rose quartz for whatever you need, but it really does help with inner self-love. So take it to bed with you, sleep with it, keep it under your pillow. It's a loving, protecting, healing stone. Next up is amethyst. This one is associated with the third eye chakra. We love that. So this guy actually has the ability to convert low vibrations to a high frequency. Actually, in English terms, it turns negative energy into high positive energy. This is great for meditation and intuition. I love keeping an amethyst like in my pocket when I go out. Let's say I'm taking public transportation, or I know that I'm going to be in contact with a lot of random people, like if I'm working or something like that. I like to keep this one on me because it's really, really good for just facilitating out anything that's negative and just letting it roll off your back. The one that I think everyone should have in their collection. Next up to the stand is going to be citrine. I love, love, love citrine. I love how it looks. I'm obsessed with the piece that I got. Citrine is associated with the solar plexus chakra. It's a stone that's going to heighten your self-discipline, help attract professional success, and even help you facilitate your attraction to wealth. Another cool thing about citrine is that it is a self-cleansing crystal, which is amazing, and it can actually cleanse your other crystals, which that is another topic that we can get into. If you guys are interested to see how I cleanse my crystals, we can keep you in tune for that. Just let me know. I love citrine. Citrine is a great one for career base, for focus. Sometimes when I'm writing down ideas for YouTube videos or worried about what's my next move I'm gonna make, and take a little piece of this, and if I'm writing down notes, I'll put it right beside me or even on top of that paper to help me just facilitate my thoughts and think better and help attract everything I want to attract. Next up is going to be tiger's eye. I am obsessed with how tiger's eye looks. Can we just look at that reflecting gorgeousness it has to it? It is so stunning. One of my favorite when it comes to visuals. I really have to say I'm obsessed with tiger's eye. Tiger's eye is associated with the third eye chakra, but it's also associated with the solar plexus chakra. It's going to promote vitality and physical action, which is amazing. This is going to be another career-based driven one. Very, very good for goals, attaining them, ambition. It helps keep you grounded, focused, and centered during chaos. So that could be any type of chaos. If you live somewhere that just is so chaotic, you never have time for yourself, or you're just in your brain all the time and you can't really focus on your thoughts, this one is going to be amazing for that. I love tiger's eye. We have malachite. Malachite was also one of the first stones that I got in my collection. I was just attracted to it. It's super smooth and I just love, love, love the color. So malachite is known for absorbing negative energies, helping radiate them away and bringing that positive energy, which is amazing. But it's also known for helping us embrace what we love and making us truly realize what we don't need or care for. Essentially what we will resist, right? It helps make it a little more clear, which is awesome, and also can be associated with career because it'll kind of help us find that path, find and understand the journey that we're trying to go on. Some black tourmaline here. Black tourmaline is one that I also believe everybody should have in their collection. A super, super dope stone. Black tourmaline is associated with the root chakra, and this is going to repel negative energy in general. So any type of bad vibes, negative energy, crazy customers, or just nonsense in your life, this is gonna help repel. I always say when I officially start driving, because I do have a car, but I'm in between getting my driving lessons. When I start driving, I'm going to keep black tourmaline underneath the seats, like where people put their feet, either like a couple small pieces or whatever the case is, because when you come into my car, it better be good vibes and I need that protection. Good stone to wear on a necklace, one to keep in the front of your house so that when people come in, it absorbs any bad vibes. Love her. Next to the stage is my girl Pyrite. Pyrite is such a gorgeous, gorgeous stone. I don't know if you can see, but it has little flexes of glitter. It's also known as fool's gold. Back in the day when mining first started and people started looking for gold and things like that and it went mainstream, people were finding pyrite and thinking, oh my god, I struck gold because it's so beautiful and it looks like gold, but it's not. So it's known as fool's gold. It's associated with the solar plexus chakra as well as the third eye. It's going to really help to bring mental clarity, helps bring forth ambitious ideas. Like if you feel like you have a mental block, this is going to help basically crank your ambitions back up. And it is phenomenal for financial growth because this is like you're already holding on to gold, babe. This is also great for manifestation. You keep it in your bag every time you go shopping, an interview, anything like that. This is going to help you achieve those goals and kind of just put it out into the earth like, hey, I already got gold, girl, so time to bring me some more. Last but not least, for my Tumbled collection is going to be this little baby guy, green aventurine. So green aventurine is one that is newer in my collection. It's also a career-based stone, or known as such, associated with the heart chakra. This is going to help increase wealth and prosperity in the things that you are doing, as well as stimulating willpower and confidence within yourself. So if you are somebody that is insecure, lacks self-confidence or self-awareness, this is going to be an amazing stone. So that pretty much concludes my collection. I really enjoyed shooting this. This is really just like an intro to what I have and a little bit of background knowledge on what they do. I also want to shoot some videos showing how I use them and make them work for me, as well as how I cleanse them, but only if you guys are interested. I'll share that knowledge. Leave a couple comments below, reach out to me on Instagram, or whatever the case is. I'm always down to share that knowledge, and I would love to come out with more crystal based and spirituality based videos. I'm still learning, I'm still growing. I'm definitely gonna shout out a couple users below that know way more than me and are so knowledgeable that I learned from, like Zuzu Naturals. Zuzu Naturals is amazing. She has a crystal subscription box. I'm gonna put her channel in the link below. But once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Comment down below any crystals you have, or if you're interested in starting that journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that bell to stay notified of all my new videos and when they'll be coming out. And I hope everybody has a beautiful day.